Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the most useful Windows keyboard shortcuts that'll save you time and make you feel like a pro. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, these are must-know tricks. Let's go. Windows plus D. Toggles between your current Windows setup and the desktop. Super handy when your screen is cluttered. Alt plus Tab. Quickly switch between your running apps. Hold Alt and tap Tab to move through them like a pro. Windows plus L. Step away from your desk. Lock your system instantly and keep your data safe. Control plus Shift plus Escape. No need for Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. This shortcut brings up Task Manager immediately. Windows plus V. Access everything you've copied recently. Just enable it in Settings first. Windows plus arrow keys. Snap your windows left, right, or into corners. Perfect for multitasking or dual monitor setups. Windows plus S. Instantly open the search bar to find apps, files, or web results. Windows plus I. No more clicking around, jump straight to the settings menu. Windows plus Shift plus S. Launch the snipping tool for partial or full screen captures, perfect for grabbing only what you need. Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Accidentally closed a browser tab? This brings it right back. Master these shortcuts and you'll feel like a Windows wizard. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips coming your way.